Hey guys, let's look at example 302. It says to solve this triangle. Now I'm just going to go ahead and draw a triangle. And I'm just going to label it ABC. Obviously this is not to scale because this B is 30 degrees and in my drawing it's definitely a lot more than that. But that doesn't matter. B is 30 degrees, little b is 10. We're also given that C is 9. Alright, so we'll use B. I'm going to do sine 30 degrees over 10 is equal to, the only other thing we have is little c. So I'll put 9 down there and then sine c up here. So we get sine c is, let's see, 9 sine 30 over 10. Yeah, that's going to be a nice number because sine 30 is a half, but I'm just going to stick it in here. 9 sine 30 divided by 10. Yeah, it's 0.45. Now that's exact because, it works out. It's 0.45. That's not a decimal approximation. And let's see if I take the inverse sine of that. Inverse sine of 0.45. It's 26.7 degrees. And that's a rounded number. So that's my C. Now, whenever you do one of these types of problems, notice I didn't mention it before, but this is, if you look at what we're given here, this is an angle side that we're given. And so whenever you have an angle side problem, what you have to do is check to see if there are two angles that'll work. So C is 26.7 degrees. But we had sine is 0.45. That's positive. So it could be 26.7 degrees. Or C could also be this angle over here with the same reference angle in quadrant 2. And because both of those angles have the same sine. So what would that be? That would be 180 minus 26.7. So that's 153.3. So we've got two possible triangles here. Either C is 26.7 or C is 153.3 degrees. All right, so the next thing to do is figure out what is the angle A. All right, over here, angle A, we're going to get this by just taking the 180 degrees total, subtract out the 30, and then subtract out the other one, 26.7. Maybe I should write that down. So A is 123.3. All right, over here, my other angle A is going to be 180 minus 153.3 minus 30 degrees. Now, if I do that, you might notice right off, that's going to be negative. 180 minus 153.3 minus 30. This says A is equal to negative 3.3 degrees. And of course, you can't have a negative angle in a triangle. So what that means is this over here is not really a triangle. In other words, there's only one solution. So that gives us no solution over there. Over here, let's see, the only thing left to do on this side is to find the remaining A. Little a still needs to be found. So the little a up here, we'll get that using the law of sines. We'll get little a over sine A is equal to little b over sine b. So little a is 10 sine 123.3 over sine 30. So 10 sine 123.3 divided by sine 30 gives me 16.7. So this has one solution, and it's this. I'm going to lightly X out the other one. That gives us no solution over there, but this angle here gives us the only triangle we get out of this one.